first, you're gonna fold it in half. Then open it up. Then fold it down, like that. I'd say like basically a 1 inch fold away from here. And then the same thing on the other side. Which is also 1 inch fold away from there basically. So it's basically a 1 inch fold. Now, we're going to fold this to this center crease on both sides. I name my planes after I do them, so the name of this plane is going to be scented after the plane is made, because I always name them after, but I try to name them before. I may name it Viper Zapper.
Can you describe that step?
And basically, what I just did was folding these little top triangles into the center, and then I can fold them down again just to make it a little more detailed to the plane, and then fold this down. And basically now we're going to basically make a crease. You see this layer right here, and you fold it, and then when you see that layer, you're just gonna pinch it out, crease it until you get to this layer here, and do it on both sides, and then you're going to open the whole plane up. Now this is the tricky step of the plane. Basically, we're going to do this kind of step where you see this crease. You don't have a crease here yet, and then you fold it to this crease on both sides, and then you will refold, but tuck under these flaps and refold those in. And in that layer of notice, you can pinch it underneath, put it down there, and fold the landing gear on both sides, and then we will fold these landing gears back, fold the plane in half, and fold the wings like that. Make sure the landing gear stays far enough away that we can put it out. And basically the wing crease is going like that away from the bottom edge. Open your landing gear. All set, done. And the name of this plane is Zapper.